Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, there's been a bit of rain this morning and a bit overcast, but it's 54 Fahrenheit. And I'm just going to be switching my little heater on here. I think this was about a tenner. So, let's see how long it takes to up it. I'm just going to turn it on full. That's it, it's on now, so let's just see what the time is. It's 26 minutes past 1. So I'm going to sit down and just see how long it takes just to up the temperature. Right, well, it's been on just 3/4 an hour, and it's gone from 54 to 64, so I'm really happy about that. So when the frost comes, I can get this on a timer. I know it looks a bit beaten, but it's done a good job so far. You don't have a timer just to keep the frost off. These are in my tray, just getting a little bit of water. But yeah, the humidity's come down because the hotter you get a room, the more moisture the air can hold. So that actually affects the humidity down. But yeah, when I get sunshine here, I've just covered this bit as well. No plastic. Just trying to make it as airtight and windtight as I can. Because when you're paying for electricity, you don't want it all to just go out to the roof. I've also got a fan and with a filter that I'm going to attach to the top right left hand corner there. Suck the hot air down through the filter and pump it underneath this bench, so I get the hot air circulating all the way around. It's not just going to the top and going out at the corners. So yeah, for a tenner, can't go wrong, £10. I've used this all last winter and it should be good for another winter hopefully. But if it isn't, what's £9.99? What's a tenner? Nothing. I'll just have to get another one. So yeah, it raised it nicely. It's dropping down. So I'm going to switch the heater off, but it's fixed it up nicely. So yeah, if you've got any questions on heating your greenhouse, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.